Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by verifying physical compatibility. Check your PC has one HDMI and one VGA output, or plan one adapter. Once done, inspect each monitor for HDMI or VGA inputs and note their native resolutions so you can match settings later. Make sure you have necessary adapters. Passive DVI adapters work only when signals match, but an active HDMI to VGA converter is required for digital to analog. Plug power cables in, but keep monitors off until both video cables are connected. Now connect the cables step by step. With devices off, plug the HDMI cable into the PC's HDMI port and into the HDMI monitor, then attach the VGA cable to the PC and the VGA monitor. If using an adapter, connect it firmly between cable and port. Tighten VGA screws to avoid signal loss. Power on monitors first so they report EDID to the computer, then boot your PC. Once the system starts, the OS should detect both displays automatically for the next configuration. You'll finish by configuring the displays in your operating system. Open Display Settings, choose Extend or Duplicate, and assign which monitor is primary. Once done, set each monitor's resolution and scaling to its native values to prevent blur. Change orientations if needed. If a screen is blank, make sure cables are seated, swap ports to isolate the faulty cable, and update your GPU drivers. If VGA shows no signal from an HDMI source, use an active HDMI to VGA converter. Passive adapters won't convert digital to analog.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.